Hello everyone, get ready to watch a video featuring a very beautiful and unique locomotive which has been a favorite for many rail fans across the nation. The livery which diesel loco shed Gooty used to paint on its WDM-3A and a few WDM-3D locomotives is always an evergreen and a captivating livery. Seen in this video is one of its kind ALCo in the beautiful and exquisite livery of Gooty, also known as Kingfisher livery by the rail fans, speeding across the gradients of SWR with Yesvantpur Tatanagar Express along with a rebuilt shed mate. Enjoy watching this guy in action, and also don't forget to give him a like and also a comment. Also do subscribe to our channel and ring the bell so that you don't miss an update from us. Share the video too.